Hey guys, Ron from Red Moto, and today we are working this 2022 Chevrolet Equinox front bumper removal. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification. If you guys need any pre-painted auto body parts for your car, go to redmoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source, where you guys can get this front bumper already painted to color match the exact color of your vehicle. So if you guys have a gray color like this one, we paint it to color match, 100% guaranteed, color match guaranteed, lifetime warranty in all of our paint jobs. So go to redmoto.com, your pre-paint auto body parts source, where we ship these parts straight to your door. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so on this Equinox, we're going to start off on the side right here. So it's getting kind of dark today, but if you guys go to the side of the bumper, like right here on the sides, you guys going to see like these bolts like that. That's going to be a T15. It's a Torx bit, and you guys are going to take that off. There's going to be one right here, one right here, one right here. That's kind of dark. Another one right here, another one right here. There's going to be a total of 5 of them. And it looks like this right here. It's going to be a T15. So you guys can see the wheel, I moved it that way so I get more room. So go ahead and take that off. They look like this. There's gonna be 5 of them, like that one. And then what are you guys gonna do is you're gonna take this fender and you're gonna fender liner and you're gonna bend it back like this. Okay, so like right here there's gonna be a bolt. If you guys feel back there, you'll feel that bolt. So it's basically right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take off that bolt. So whenever you guys hold this back, so I'm gonna try to show you guys, but if you guys pull this back right here, right back there, it's like right here, feel for it and you'll see like a bolt. So I'm going to show you guys what that bolt looks like. So for this one, you're going to take a socket that's 7 millimeter. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. So again, pull this back and it should be easy access. It's like right here. And that bolt looks like that, and that should be the rest on this side. Do the same exact thing that you guys did on this side on the other side also. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do is going to go underneath the bumper. So if you guys take a look, like right here, that's going to be the same exact 7 millimeter that you guys going to follow across the bottom and taking off these bolts right here. Alright, so they look like this right here, and there's gonna be 7 to 8 of them. So again, just follow the bottom and then you'll see these bolts right here and just take those off. Okay, so now lift up the hood. And now if you guys go look on top, there's gonna be those T15 bolts running on top. Go ahead and take that off. And again, those bolts look just like this one right here. As you guys can see on this side right here, everything's already been taken off because this one was damaged. But on that side, so on this side, all we're gonna do is gonna pull the bumper back and it's gonna unclip it. So do this. Okay. So just be careful and don't pull it all the way down, because remember, you guys have these fog lights right here and some sensors that you guys have to unplug also. So if this wasn't damaged, you're gonna do the same exact thing, gonna pull it gently down. All right, and then you guys gonna come back here to this one right here. Oh, it's actually on the other side. Let me just take a look. So the best method to unplug that harness is that we're gonna slowly bring it down. So now you guys gonna come up here. You're gonna lift up right here. Lift up like that. Okay. Let me see if I can take this off like this. So lift up. So you guys have to kind of like get something right here, kind of pry it out because it's clipped onto the headlights. Slowly bring it down. So now you guys can see this harness already taken off. But to take this off, you're gonna take this red clip and then push it back, and then go ahead and push down on it right here on the black piece, and then you should be able to take this off. And the other thing also is right here. There's this wire right here that's hooked up to like this, and all it is this red tab right here. You're gonna push down on this red tab, and then that should unhook. Alright guys, that's how you take off a 2022 Chevrolet Equinox front bumper. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and I'll answer all those questions for you.